Good
Thank
morning,
you.
everyone. I hope you are able to see my screen, Shraddha.
Yes, your screen is visible. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. Good morning, everyone. So today we'll present you the MyWave bank statement processing automation web, that how it will help you for the reconciliation of the bank statement, like how you can import the bank statement in SAP Business One. So I'll start the presentation first, and then I'll show you the live demo for the same, for the bank statement processing web. So the MyWave, actually, it is a 10 years old company, okay, and they are mainly focusing on the like automation with AI, with SAP Business One, with the SAP product as well, and they have developed lot of, you can say, around 34 around 50 plus AI agentic wave for SAP Business One. Okay, and this bank statement processing wave is also one of them. And this company is based in the New Zealand. And this company is like the founder of this company as the former presidents of the SAP global region. Okay. So as of like in the current, you can say the organization also scenarios, why your organization is slowing down based on the AI, because there are too much manual work which users are doing as of now. Okay, and it will delay the process or disturb the flow. Oh, so someone says my voice is not coming. Are you? I'm audible. Shraddha, can you please confirm?
Yeah, you are
Yes, Tushar.
audible.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
Audible.
you are
Thanks,
audible.
thanks. Thank you. So sorry, sorry for this. So as of like there are so much manual work is this you are the users are doing as of now, and it will delay the standard process or disturb the flow, and also it will like the opportunity lost as well, because it's the most of the users are doing the day-to-day work like the data entry, for example creating the sales order from the purchase order, and it is growing the workload for the users, and they are not able to focus on the other activities, which is will be the opportunity for the organization as well. So that's how AI will help you. We'll see like why you have to invest in the AI or in the AI agentic wave. Through MyWave, you can like do, there is no longer option. Most of the organizations now are using the AI on the um, starting with the AI on their organization, and also your competitors, and they are also using the AI waves, so for example, and they are getting the opportunities after the AI, after using the AI, and they are focusing on the works to grab the opportunities after, you can say, the once the time has been left for the users after using the AI. So it will be the advantages for your organization once you start the using of the AI. So there are some, you can say it will, if we use the AI within the SAP Business One. So the benefit for this one is that it will eliminate the repetitive work. Okay, it will eliminate the manual errors, which is doing by the users, like some data entry wrong or date or something, whatever, like, okay. So that also will be the eliminated if we are starting using the AI. Then there is no, and if once you start, once you, for example, once you implement the AI, there will be no disturbance in your SAP Business One setup. It will remain as it is. And this, for example, the bank statement wave, it will be, you can say, implemented within a few hours, couple of hours. It will be implemented in your organization, and there is no extra fields or any data entry which we have to do for the bank statement processing wave implementation. It is just standard. We just have to upload it, and you can start use it within a couple of hours. and it will be available for the cloud hosting as well as for the like on the private cloud, public cloud, or on premise as well. And it is available for both HANA and SQL. This MyWave AI agentic waves. And what is an AI agent? You can say like it is the AI. I think now most of people knows about the AI because it's the everybody is using now like ChatGPT or the uh, co-pilot of M365. So this AI agent is like they understand the context for your automation, then it will work across within your system. Okay, and you can say it will work as a your digital or virtual employee, which is working for you side by side along with your users as well. So you can say like that one, and it will improve the work efficiency for your organization as well as for your users as well. So how this is how it will help you in your organization if you start to use the AI agentic web. So there are some, you can see the AI agent names, and against that one, there is efficiency score is we defined there. So out of 10 is the how much it will be efficiency for you if you start the these waves. Okay, for example, in the finance and banking sector, the bank reconciliation where the efficiency score is 9. And for example, in the sales department, if you can see there's multi PO sales order converter or customer email to sales order, that also efficiency score is 8. So for example, if you receive the purchase order from your customer and your users to start creating the sales order as of now, for example, manually, they just copy the data from PDF file and entering into the SAP Business One. So it's a manual work and it will be the you can say the time consuming, and also the sometimes the manual error also come, like date might be they will miss the date or wrong date inputted or some data mismatch. So this with the use of the MyWave AI, you can just upload the PDF like the purchase order PDF file, and it will convert it. It will create the sales order in the SAP Business One. And even if you receive the email, like within the email, if you receive that I want these items, so by this quantity, this the date, then also the AI agentic way will help you that it will just read the content. You just copy paste the email body and put it in the AI agentic way. It will read the content. It will create the sales order for you. And we will share this PPT with you. And if you can see in the right corner, there is a one link where all the AI agentic wave list is there, and you can also see videos for this AI agentic waves and the description of as well. Yeah, so sorry, I already shared it here in the. So we'll share this PPT with you. And this MyWave AI agentic wave will work if we have the SAP Business One version 10 FP 2305 or higher. Okay, and it will work for SQL and HANA, which I tell you, and it will work on the web client. So I'll show you the demo. Just share my screen. Are you able to see my screen, right, Siddham?
Yes.
Yes, Tushar.
Yeah. So this is the web client where I will log in the web client. I will just quickly just create one file. See, so create the transaction. So you will see that how much time it took for me to create the incoming and outgoing payment based on the from the bank statement. So first, so I select the bank statement. For example, this one. So it will take few minutes or few seconds to just read the data from the bank statement, and it will give me the result within a few seconds. Yeah. So I'll just quickly create a few transactions, then I will explain everything in the detail, because then you will see that how much faster it will be for you. So first transaction I want to post it against the SH Bitcar. So it is already give me here the list. So I'll just copy. I select the invoice. Then for second line, which is the for example for champion commercial, I just select the okay. So yeah. So then I want to post, for example, third line, which is the for the GL account. So it is GST paid. There is no currency, is the INR currency. That is fine for me. Then I'll post it, for example, line number 9, where which is the SBI pay, which is for professional tax. So I'll just that I want to create against the GL account, and I'll say just, the personal tax. Okay, then I'll go to the next page. Okay, and here I'll select a few more transactions. For example, on the line number 14, where I received the credit balance, I'll say I just want to create against the GL. This is against interest interest income. Then I'll select, for example, on the another page, which is, for example, line number 23, where I received the for against the Eurostar, which is the PP, and I'll say Star Engineering Private Limited, and it will give me the list of the options here. And I'll select, for example, the next transaction, which is for the HWMI. And I'll select the down payment here against this one. Then again, I'll select the BP. Again, I'll select the champion. I will not select any invoice here. Then I'll select the line number 28, for example. Also, SAP India. And I'll select the this one, the invoice against this one, which is the this one. Then I'll select the next one. Select the sorry, it's the Lux tires. Is the my supplier. This is the and I'll say continue, and I can see how much I selected here. Ready for posting. This is the ready for posting. I say yes, and it will take few seconds to post it the transaction. In meantime, yeah, so sorry. Yeah, it is posted now, and I see the success. If you can see, is the success message, and views are the error. So we can also see that it's already closed at block. So that we can also see why the few transactions has not been posted and why. So you can see here how much time it take here, and I'll explain the one by one everything to you. Okay. So for example, I'll go to the SAP Business One, then I'll go to the first transaction, which is SH Bitcar. Okay. which I selected. So yeah, so we can see here, it is this one, sorry. For example, the Lux tires, okay, this is the one which we created, okay, against the invoice number. I selected here, invoice number 250019, okay, the amount is 19719. So here they created outgoing payment against this supplier, and this is the invoice number which we selected 250019. The invoice number has been closed, and if you can see the here they copied the reference number. For example, this one they copied here in the, if you go with the payment means, they copied here in the reference, okay, is against the bank transfer, and they copied this entire description in the general remarks. If you can see here, this one. If I just copy, paste, and put it in the notepad for you, so you can see this entire thing has been copied from the my bank statement, and they'll put it in the general remarks. Okay, the same thing. Sorry. Again, the second invoice, which is SAP India. For example, the yuan reach. Okay, and they, if you can see here, they copy the same thing description here, and if you go to the payment means, they also copy the reference number is also here in the payment means. Same for GA, for example, this one, champion commercial, where if you here, if you see, I didn't select any invoice because I receive against the on account payment. Okay, so this also has been created. If I go to the incoming payment, if I select for the champion, April. If you can see now, it will also copy the date here. The same date you can see here, against the same date, it will create the incoming or outgoing payment in the SAP Business One. So it's the 25th April 2024, and everything is the payment on account. If you can see here in the corner, so it's the same thing here. The general remarks has been copied here, and the reference number also copied here. Then against the GL as well, if you can see this one, credit, or based on the debit and credit, it will identify that it will create the incoming or outgoing payment. So for example, SBI Pay, this is the outgoing payment. So if I go to the outgoing payment, yeah, so it's the professional tax SBI Pay. So it's copied the document remarks here as the my bank statement description against the professional tax, because I selected here the GL account as the professional tax, and the in the payment means the reference number also copied from here. Same for if you go with the next transaction, which is the GST paid. This is the GST paid. Okay, GST bank reference number 47141. 47141. It is copy the same thing, and I'll show you the other transaction for the incoming as well. I think it's a block, so that's why. It's created here. I'll show you that one as well. So for example, the SH Pitker, where the, if you can see, if I open the invoice, okay, the my invoice amount is 85362.38, and where my statement amount is 85363. 0.00. So I receive 0.62 extra from the customer. Okay, so we'll see that how it will create the CHI for me. If you can see, the overpayment account has been credited as 0.62. So based on the currency setup, that if I receive the 1 rupees, for example, or 2 rupees, within 2 rupees, if I receive extra, then it will go with the overpayment account. Or if I receive less than within the 2 rupees, then it will go to the underpayment account. And if it's more than 2 rupees, then it's obvious it will go to the on account for the difference amount. So that setup is also you can do it based on the, because some like if you can see some bank charges, so you are putting there, right? So bank charges, instead of the overpayment account or underpayment account, we can use the bank charges account. So it will go to the bank charges as well. If some customers charge you for the bank charges, so that to setup we can also do it here. And here is the same thing, that everything has been copied here. The general remarks and the payment reference number as well. Yeah, so this is the bank statement processing waves for you, that how you can use it. And so I'll explain you from the scratch again. So because last time I just selected everything, like I didn't explain everything in the detail, because I want to show you that how it will create quickly for you to like the transaction of incoming and outgoing payment for you. So here, once you upload the bank statement, you can view the bank statement in the right hand side. And if you don't want to view the bank statement, then you just click the you can click disability here, so you can see the PDF viewer. Then you have to select the house bank. Like in one organization, you have multiple house banks. So for example, in my this system, I have three banks: ENBD, HDFC Bank, and SBI Bank. So I uploaded the bank statement for HDFC Bank. So I select the HDFC Bank, and then you have to select the currency, because in one bank, like you have might be multiple currency. Like in UAE, like we have the in our bank we have two currencies, AED and USD. So for which currency you have uploaded the transaction, that currency you have to select here. So for example, for this one, I uploaded for INR. So I'll select the INR as my currency. And then this is everything has been copied from the bank statement, the date, description, reference number, debit, credit amount, balance. Then you have to select the type, that you want to create this transaction against the BP, means the customer or the supplier, or against the GL. So for example, it's the BP. Then here you just have to type the, for example, your customer or the supplier name. For example, I just type PI, so it gives me the list of the all the customers or the supplier where the PI is there. So for example, this is for SH Pitka. Okay. And then you can select the invoices. As of now, there's no invoices for me. So, and you can also input the rate if there is a foreign currency transaction as well. So by default, it will take from the exchange rate, from the exchange rate table. But if you don't want to use the exchange rate table, that rate, you want to put it yourself, you can put it here as well, and it will create against the foreign transaction as well. So same thing for GL, like for example, if you can see, the most of they are automatically give me the suggestion, like for first transaction it give me the for second transaction, for example, it give me the champion commercial. Here they give me the GST paid, because I selected those uh, GL or the customers last time when I uploaded this bank statement, and based on the description, AI identified that last time you selected the GST paid against similar type of description. So it will be easy for the users. I just select the, for example, GL, and I just click it again here. So yeah, it will come for ready for posting. So this is how it will be useful for you that if you're using frequently, it will give you the suggestions like whenever you upload the bank statement next time, it will give you automatic suggestion that the last time you selected this customer or supplier or the GL against the similar type of description. So it will be easy for the users for the selection purpose as well. Yes. So this is the bank statement processing for you. Can go ahead with the question and answer.
Just one question. When we make incoming or outgoing payment, we get UTR numbers generated. Even that is populated.
UTR number, this is the bank's reference number, right? This is, are you talking about this reference number? Sadda, can you? Hello.
Yes, Tushar.
Yeah, just wanted to ask you whether in the forex account there is a advice which has so many details. So all the details can be incorporated in this software, this application rather.
Like
Because you have
which
so many
detail?
details, no? Like so much that this conversion charges, this, that, so many 3, 4 things are there. So all those things can be incorporated. All the details
So
can
that
be
as of
aligned.
now, see, as of now, the incoming or outgoing payment, it will create based on the credit or debit amount here. Okay. For example, here my statement it says 85,363 is the credited to my bank accounts. Okay. So it will create the incoming payment for this amount 85,363 rupees only. Here you can't segregate that out of 85,363, like 300 rupees is for the foreign currency charges or whatever
Because
you are saying. But
presently what we are doing, all those forex, receipts or the outgoing or the incoming for the forex, we are having a note of all the charges, everything. We are making an entry probably in the tally system. So all those things can also be replicated in SAP systems. I wouldn't know frankly. So that was my question.
okay. So you are using Tally or SAP Business One?
Tally.
Okay.
But
So
SAP
because
also, yeah,
here,
it is interesting. It is very interesting to know that SAP also has so
yeah.
many features. It is much advanced also. So all those
So
things
here,
should be replicated, no? Then it
yeah.
is
So here,
useful.
okay.
Yeah.
So we have to configure the GL account determination likewise that if there is a difference amount, then it will go to the foreign bank charges or the bank charges, you can say. It will go to that account.
Hello.
Can we select multiple chain BP, multiple invoice number? Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Yogesh, I have a question. Can you go back to your screen about that payment received?
Okay. On this one, the statement?
Yeah, in the statement which you received something, incoming payment.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Incoming payment from not this one, the other one. Something like incoming payment from the buyer, from the customer.
Yeah, so this is the first transaction, for example. I received the 85,300.
Okay,
Yeah.
because there is some customer we have that we need to post like bank charges, escrow charges, something. So yeah, you showed something there.
Yeah. So here,
That yeah.
yeah. So for bank charges now, for example, here 85,363.00. Okay.
Okay.
And your invoice, you selected the invoice against here. For example, your invoice amount is 85,000 rupees.
Yeah.
So your bank charges is 363 rupees, for example.
Yeah.
Okay. So what we can do, the GL account determination, like for example, we selected here the overpayment account. Okay. So
Mhm.
there you can see the bank charges account. So the difference amount will go to the bank charges
Okay, but
if you selected against the invoice.
okay, from this spot, can we edit it like we will put it as like forex difference, forex loss, something like that?
Yeah, so yes. The GL account you have to select based on your requirement. So
Uh-huh.
once
But my question is, once that is posted on the spot, I can edit this row number
no
two.
no J you can't update the J. You can't
No, what
update
I
the
mean,
J once.
I can change here on the spot, right?
No. You can't update the J. So once the entry is posted, then you can't update it. You just have to cancel that
So it
transaction
means
and
we need to
create it
set
again.
up this kind thing that anything
Yes,
difference,
yes,
it goes to forex, yeah?
yes, right.
So
In the
how do we set up that one?
that is our functional team will guide you. Like
Mhm.
there is some functionality in the SAP Business One where you have to do the GL account determination.
Mhm.
So based
But
on that,
uh, sorry to interrupt. Yes, but different client because different client, different scenario. So it means
okay,
I need to create a setup for each client, correct?
yes, each client means that there is only one database for you, right?
Yes, one
That,
database, but
yeah, so
whenever
that,
we receive for this client, this should be
mhm,
the potential entries for this, something like that.
okay, yeah. So that GL account determination we have to do. So that functional team will guide you based on the customers or what will be the price difference accounts.
When you say
That will
functionalities, your agent, right? Your help
no
desk people.
my project team,
Mhm.
our
Okay.
project team will guide you.
Okay, fine. Second thing, last thing, the
Yes,
statement of account because we're still in August, so we can do this one at the month because we always do at month and reconciliation. So we can do this one at month and reconciliation end of August.
you can do it anytime, like bi-weekly, fortnight,
Mhm.
monthly, or every 3 days. It's up to you.
No.
You
We
can
do
do
it
any.
because this is the first time I'll do it. So it
Okay.
I need
Yeah.
some guidance on this.
Okay. No. But so bank statement you can just download
Yeah,
it
I
from the
know.
bank and
Yeah.
you can do it anytime. There is no mandatory requirement that you must have to do it by end of this month. There is no
Yeah.
such
I can do it
requirement. So
weekly, second week, but someone from
yes,
your team will guide me on this, right? Initially, yeah.
yes.
Okay, fine. And you will send me the what's it called this, the process on this and the list of agents which we can talk to, right?
Yes. You will receive the email from Shraddha,
Okay, fine,
that
fine.
presentation.
Yeah,
Okay.
Mr. Yogesh, we would like to have a demo also from your side. Our group is Prince Group, so we'd like to have some demo also from your side. And it looks very handy and very useful tool, useful app, basically, whatever the software. So we'd like to have a
Okay.
demo from your side. If you can if you can see the details from our registration details, you should, you please give us a demonstration, and then we
Can
can
you,
take the things there.
yeah.
Probably we can have some installation done also from your side after looking the demo also.
Okay. Yeah, you can just
Yeah,
send the
we
email
would
to
request that
Shraddha.
first. Yeah.
Yeah, you can send the email to
My name is
Shraddha.
Vikram Javi. You can see the details in the registration. We
Yes.
have.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I
Thank you
noted down.
thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Vikram. Thanks, Mr.
Hi, Tushar.
Hi.
Wish this way. Tushar, I have this question. Like, if we upload the bank statement PDF format or anything, so there will be a lot of invoices, multiple invoices are there. So can we adjust it in one incoming payment or outgoing payment against multiple invoices? That is one. That is
As
also
of now,
mentioned.
as of now, you can select only one invoice here. Okay.
And
But
the second is yeah, please.
But if you have the requirement that you want to select multiple invoices here, then I have to check, or else you just we have to do the manual reconciliation in SAP Business One.
Yes,
Because the payment entry will be created based on the credit balance, credit amount.
Okay. Okay. Also, my question is, if there is any advance payment received by customer or vendor, means there is a invoice amount is 10,000, and I already booked advance payment as a outgoing payment for 5,000, and remaining 5,000, can it be adjusted automatically or
So you
it will
can
post it?
create the entry against the down payment. So for example, for the advance payment, you created the down payment entry.
No.
Correct?
No. Tushar, sometimes customer will do like they will book outgoing payment on account payment. In
Okay.
that case, I'm asking. It means on account
So-
payment, it is already booked with 5,000 rupees, and the remaining amount is only 5,000 rupees. So it will automatically adjusted or
No, you have to do it to manually. So here you can create the on account payment, which we created, right?
yes, correct.
Correct. For example, champion commercial, we created on account payment. I'll show you that entry. Yeah, this one. So for example, here 8,100 rupees I received from customer, but not against any invoices or down payment. So I'll create against the on account. Then here you have to do the manual reconciliation. Because how AI knows that against which invoice I have to, or against which down payment I have to do this reconciliation.
Correct. Understood.
Yeah.
Understood. Yeah, thank you.
Or
And the
if
last
you
question.
if you created the down payment, then you can select the down payment here as well. For example, against this against this supplier, if you can see, I have two type here. One is the ILV, second is DP. DP means the down payment. So you can create the transaction against the invoice, down payment, or credit note.
Yeah, understood. And my last question is only the thing is like in our bank statement, vendor name is there or customer name is there. So can it be automatically the GL code? Sorry, the business partner code automatically comes.
So first time you have to select the customer or the supplier. Then from the next time the AI will remember it, and it will give you the suggestion. Yeah, it will come automatically. You just have to select the customers just select it here and select the invoice. So it will give you the suggestion that last time you selected this supplier or this customer against this similar type of
Currently it will show means all customers or vendors list or specific one.
So for example, specific one. So specific one it will show you like this one.
Got it. Thank you, Tushar.
Thanks.
And Tushar, that's overpayment or underpayment, it will go into the bank charges, right?
It's the
In SAP.
the GL in SAP na, it's up to you that how you want to post it against the bank charges or overpayment or underpayment account. It's up to your decision, like how you want to set up the GL account determination based on the differences.
Okay, it will be foreign gain and loss also, right?
Yes.
Maybe.
Yes. Yeah.
Means it depends on our GL determination, right?
Yes, right. System just reconcile against this already posted.
Can you share us the recording, please?
Yeah. So Shraddha will share the recording to
also,
each and every party.
Presentation, yeah.
Yes, both. And there are some questions here. Like, hello, correct me if I'm wrong, but basically you uploaded the bank statement PDF and it auto-generated the transaction details. After that, you posted those transactions to SAP system or just reconcile against the already posted. No, it is through this AI, it will create the automatically incoming and outgoing payment transaction. So it will not against the post transaction. It will create against the invoice, down payment credit note, or against the GL. This from Operation ERP. Then Raj Khatri, how this will work for segmented COA. There are clients still using 9, 10 SQL and HANA. So for all version, this is supported or specific version only. So it will supported on SQL and HANA, but it will supported from SAP Business One version 10, 2305 or higher.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Good
Yes.
afternoon. This
Good
is
afternoon.
Jonita here. At present, we
Yes.
are using SAP Business One. So now
Okay.
what we are doing is that we make the entries and then we generate a report as per the bank, and then we do it RTGS online. But in this case, first we have to do the transaction and then upload the statement. Then the entries
So,
are,
okay.
yeah,
First
then the
transaction
entries are
means
income, whatever we are making the payments like to all the vendors, means we are reconciling the transactions. Now if 10 invoices are there, we enter, we are paying outgoing payments, and then we go make the payments. But in this case, we have to make the payment and then upload the statement and then
step.
reconcile it.
Yes, Junita, correct.
Correct, na?
Correct,
So
correct.
suppose in that 10 invoices are there and many multiple vendors are there, almost 50 vendors. We are making the
Okay.
payments. Then
Okay.
how it is and how this is integrated in the SAP, this AI system?
So for example, you created around 10 invoices, right?
Yeah.
Against the 10 different supplier, and you paid to the supplier. Then you download the statement as a PDF, and it will just select the supplier and it will create the outgoing payment for you in SAP Business One for against those 10 invoices.
Hmm.
So how this is how it will
Yeah,
work.
but in your this thing, we have to make the payment and then upload the statement and then it is
Yes,
reconciled.
correct, Janita.
Yeah. And how now, suppose if we want to take this software and how it is integrated, what are the process like?
So there is no process. We don't have to create anything on your database. We just have to uh, tie up with the cloud hosting partner.
Okay.
We have to install the SAP Business on web client service layer, and the version should be 2305 or higher.
Okay.
I'll show you the charts as well.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Anything else, guys? If you have any question, then please reach out to me, Shraddha, me or Shraddha. Okay. And we'll get back to you, Mr. Vikram, for the demo to you with your team.
What is the costing regarding the same? Can you please tell us?
Okay, sorry.
Hello, Abhijit here. I raised two questions. Can we select multiple GS and BP? So you haven't commented on that.
Okay, wait. So multiple BP against the one transaction, right?
Multiple BP, multiple invoices, AP or AR
Okay.
invoices, and in case of GL entities, multiple GLs can we select and do? Because I have seen that only one GL or one business partner and invoice number can be selected.
Yes, as of now, you can select only one customer or one supplier or one GL against each activity.
GL only
But if
one
you
we
have
can
the
select. Okay.
yes, yes.
But for business partner, if there are multiple invoices for which payment is received or payment is done, then we can't do that. Right now, only one invoice or
Yeah,
feasibility is
as
there.
of now, yes, as of now, only one invoice selection. But I'll check with the team. If you have the requirement for the multiple invoice, then I will ask team to incorporate if
It
we
is a
go ahead
standard
with
requirement, business requirement. So
yeah.
we need to have
Okay.
it.
Okay. Okay, no issue. That I'll check with the team. But as of now, in the current setup, you can select only one invoice against one transaction. I'll show you the charges as well. Sorry. I hope you are able to see my screen, right? So just go. So this is the charges. Okay. So there are two different scenarios here. First is the cloud hosting. We have to host these services on the cloud hosting with the cloud provider. There are some dedicated cloud provider which is listed by the MyWave team. So we have to type with those cloud provider and we have to host the MyWave services on that and cloud provider environment. Okay, and for that one, there is a requirement is that minimum 3 users we have to sign up with the cloud vendor, and the price is for €13 per user per month for the cloud hosting. Okay, and it will be the annual contract and billing in quarterly in advance. Then the second one is the MyWave. This is the like for the AI agentic waves charges. There is no there is minimum one user, so there is no minimum 3 users contact anything. But we can start with one user only on the MyWave AI agentic AI, and there is a multiple options. So for example, if you want to go ahead with the only bank statement wave, then there is a €40 per user per month. Okay. And if you want to go with the PO to SO wave, like some organizations might be required for the PO to SO wave, where you just upload the PDF file, purchase order PDF file, and it will create the sales order in SAP Business One. So for that one, it is the €20 per user per month. And there are multiple AI agentic waves, so you can see it on that presentation. Once Shraddha will share it with you, then you can go on that link and you can see all the waves, AI agentic waves, and you can select that how much waves you want. Based on that, we can go with the pricing as well.
Is the total costing is only for the hosting, or is there any more charges applied?
So there are two charges. One is the hosting and one is the AI wave. So hosting charges is based on the user. And there is a minimum 3 user requirement, and which is the €13 per user per month for hosting. And for waves like AI agentic, it's up to you that which AI agentic wave you want to use, PO2SO, bank statement processing wave, or other any waves. So based on that, I will contact with you and the MyWave team for that wave.
Means what is approximate cost for the MyWave?
So for you can say
let's assume three
39.
users are there.
Yeah, so for cloud hosting is the €39 per user per month. Sorry, per month. Okay. If you go with the 3 users, so €39 is for the cloud hosting charges per month. And if you go with the, for example, bank statement wave, then is the per month per user is €40. So and if you want to use or if you want to develop for per only for one user, then you can say 79 euro per month. It will be the cost for you if you go with the bank statement processing web for per one user.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Thanks. And you can contact me or Sada. Like this is my email ID. You can see in the screen, I think. And you can contact Sada as well. If you have any inquiry or anything, if you have any question or doubt, you can contact us anytime. Okay, any question? No.
Kindly share the PPT, sir. We would like to have the PPT, sir.
Yeah. You will receive the recording session as well as the PPT both.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And also
Thank
the
you,
demo,
thank
as
you.
I told you earlier, also the demo.
Yes,
Thanks
yes.
so much.
Yeah,
That
we
is
will
very
contact you,
useful, very
Mr. Kram.
insightful, very useful. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.